Rebecca wants Nandi and Solomzi to beg her to help them. Nandi uthi cha mina ngiyeke if she doesn't want to. Rebecca comes to see Baby Kai and realizes Baby Kai is really sick and they go to the traditional healer. Tenjue moves out without finish and now she has to sleep on the floor. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. Solomzi went to ask his mom or Rebecca to come and help them Ukaya because Ukaya has a mark, Ibala, which is making him sick. At you and Nandi must come and beg me. Solomzi tells Nandi ukuthi uma uthi somncenga athi your mom is very cruel ingizemncenge mina if angafuna kayeke. So as they're talking, Rebecca comes in athi hey yazi nazokhuluma ngo-devil. She appears athi hey mangafuni vele I can just go back. Athi Solomzi please don't leave ma ngiyakudinga I need you. And then Rebecca takes the baby, Baby Kai, and looks at him and say, Yazini, you guys keeping me away from my grandson. I would have seen this thing sooner. Asamben, let's go to the traditional healer before it's too late. And then they go there. And the traditional healer starts doing the ritual on the baby. Apparently, they have to cut the baby on the back of the neck to remove the mark to help him heal. Unand is like, is there no other way? Because I think she's not comfortable with umntwana being cut, but there's no other way. So more busy the ritual cut. Unanda akasakhali, she's busy uyakhala. And then Ukuma, Nolita says she wants to talk. At Ukuma, there's nothing to talk about la. Ati when what's the point of staying together if isimo sinjena la? Atangsho when so I must just leave us. We are not going anywhere. You're the one who caused the situation. You'll be sleeping with everyone la, including Uvin, who kind of slept with you before he died. And then Utenju is determined to leave, move out of home. Umawa Keshem is like, you know what, if no hamba then me again, she can go. Ajawuli Tenju goes, no, you're giving me blessings. But then Umaka will say, you're not taking the bed. Lo mutegela indlini. More hamba, you'll buy your own bed. They get to their new place, no nail. Luciana, she sold all her furniture. Tenju and I doesn't have furniture, so now they have to sleep on the floor. Kanyiso goes to Solomzi's funeral parlor thinking he's going to be a salesman wearing a suit and all. That's your job. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.